Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. Okay, back again today, Monday 27 June 2022. That in this video I will discuss again about my trade today, and the result of my trade was again 66%. So I'm just got profit in the two trade and one trade got loss, and now we'll discuss why I'm profit and why I'm loss to get more perspective about the possibility uh, when we uh, when we doing the trade. Okay, so let's just go to the position number one. So this is my trade of number one. Okay, so this was profit. So what is the main perception or main perspective that I take before I enter into the trade? So well, when I'm in, I see this kind of movement. Okay, this kind of movement also, so I just wait for a couple of minutes because I only trade in the 1 minute, and then this kind of level was touched. Okay, was the level of 50. Okay, because this is the base, this is the zero level of some kind of round number, and because my support and resistance based on round number, and then this is the level of 50, and the 50 is I see was broken, okay, by this big candle, and this is of course the some kind of 61.8 Fibonacci level if you want to add this one. And suddenly there is happen a doji. Okay, so it was like this. Sorry. So what is my perspective? First, I think was a weak candle because was touching the 50, and then I found the weak candlestick is here. Okay, in this kind of level, like this one. Okay, was have upper and lower shadow and closed exactly on the 50, and before it was bearish also. Okay, so before it was consolidate here or ranging, and then what I expected was like some bullish here back into this zone, into the ranging, but suddenly it's happening a breakout here. Then I realized that it's not gonna bullish here and up with bullish, and it probably will change the place of a ranging. So this is a downtrend, and they got ranging and downtrend again, and then got ranging again. And in this kind of minutes, okay, because this is only 1 minute, I can tell you that I see this kind of like sorry, like this one. Okay, this was like bearish hammer. Okay, and then bearish hammer, it should happen some kind of breakout, or was a selling pressure. Okay, and then I also don't forget to see which is the 50 EMA there, 100 there, and the price is in the kind of strong area between the 1 deviation and 2 deviation, and that is why that this kind of hammer. Okay, before this bearish hammer, it was some kind of bearish small, because you can adjust the candle from anywhere you want. Okay, you can use 3 minutes or 2 minutes, doesn't matter. It's always it always can give us a clue of what is happening in that market situation or the context. So here I already seeing that okay, this was level 50, and if this was strong, and the next candle could be, the next three could be jumping down. Okay, and then why is jumping down? Because I thought this was like a bearish hammer, and this was a selling pressure. Okay, and then what happened in the next three was happened this one. Okay, so sorry, the first one is happened this one. Okay, and the second one, was bearish. But why this kind of hammer? Okay, this kind of hammer, like this one, sorry, it's a little bit bigger, the body. And why this kind of hammer, that we know that here was something should be strong resistance? Why this was breakout like this? Okay, this was breakout and then end up with a doji. Why is that happen? That means something wrong with this bearish hammer, and that mean for me that is not the selling pressure anymore, and the price could be in the ranging move. Okay, or maybe the price will doing some fake breakout in the upper direction. Okay, so the next three candle will be bullish. So I don't know, and I still not convincing here because the candle is like this, and then I'm waiting and then happen again the bullish like that. Okay, so okay, now I see that this could be a fake breakout of the 50% level, and then after this it should be happen a bullish then, like my prediction before. But what happened suddenly is down like this. So what is this? This is the shooting star, and that's mean there is no uptrend or the bullish in the next three candle, because was fail. Okay, was fail, and then that means that the price is doing ranging in between of 150 EMA. Okay, that is the situation of the ranging. It's very difficult, but when we know where we should look for the pressure, then we can enter here. Because this is shooting star, that means that when the price is not go up in the next, then the fake breakout will not happen here, and what happen mostly continuation, or they are doing ranging or breakout, I don't know. And then I found this one. Okay, so that was profit. So from my perspective, this entry was very nice because I'm waiting for the confirmation of the shooting star, and then I just reading the pressure correctly. Okay, because when the like candle like bearish hammer is not working well, that's mean something happened here. Okay, and the problem is we not only get option up, we also get the option for consolidation. So we get the option when the bearish hammer like not working, we have the option there will be a fake breakout there will be a consolidation there, and there will be some kind of ranging in there. Okay, because the consolidation and ranging is a little bit like identical. The consolidation is need only one candle to another, and the ranging they already like need 3 candle, 4 candle. Okay, so in this case that is was ranging in between the 50 or 20 and the 100 EMA, and also there's also between the level of 50 and the 200 EMA. So that is, guys, my explanation. This trade was nice for me, even it was in the ranging market. Okay, let's see the entry. The entry was nice, and where's the entry? So this one, I think. Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, I just talking with myself. Okay, and then I just entry in the safe zone. Okay, using the backup of the 50 EMA. Sorry, the 50% Fibonacci from the round number to the resistance. So you see, it's getting up, and finally at the end they just jumping down. Okay, then you can watch it later on the video that I'm uploading. So at the end it's going to be shooting star, but again you see here, this was the shooting star again. But if you know the context was arranging, be careful with this kind of candlestick here, because it's going to be not working like the other one, okay, before. Okay, that's guys, so that is my entry. Okay, and then that was right. And then let's go in the 2 where I'm lost my trade, because let's see what is causing I'm losing my trade in the second open position. So it was kind of here, guys. I'm observing chart already, but I'm not entry. I'm just waiting. I know this was ranging, I know that. But suddenly I just got I just like directly point to this kind of level, because this is the level of 38.2. okay, and this is the level of 50, and basically the context, was ranging between the 50 and the 20 and the 23.6 Fibonacci level, okay, because this is the round number. And I just not realizing this one, guys, but before I was realize that this was the shooting star, and that's mean that could be in this kind of minor downtrend, because the global was ranging already. Okay, the EMA, you see the formation, and also the location of the price is already below the 1 deviation, so this could be the continuation. And suddenly I see this trade. Okay, first I see already this is a shooting star possible of a continuation, and I see this one. Okay, I start to see this one, and I start to see this level, and then okay, that means this kind of shooting star is not working. Why? Because the ranging market, okay, it's kind of like consolidation also, but this is ranging because it's using the multi candle to going up, okay, not only one candle. And I see here, okay, well, maybe it's going to be retracement, because this was the some kind of level here, because the middle of the shooting star body, that is become the SNR. Okay, depends on which trends it's heading to. Now it's become resistant, you see, it's going there. But I just wonder why this kind of retracement of selling pressure, okay, now I think like that, is not working well in here. Okay, this candlestick, it's make me like expecting some fake breakout. Okay, and then suddenly this come here appear, it's like the hammer. Okay, and if you see this is if two candle mixing two candle, this is like a shooting star, like a hammer, bullish hammer. And then I enter the trade in there with the good position. But here, okay, this is closing here, this is some kind of, I'm just hoping with the kind of rejection from this one, but suddenly this is not happen, and then I'm losing trade. And then I analyzing why is that happening, why my entry was not working. Okay, and then suddenly from my experience, okay, after that is happening, we can say that this is against the major trend. Okay, and this was the minor trend already still there, and I just recognizing that the 38.2 is become the middle of the ranging, so that is why I'm lost in here. because we have to enter in the 50, not in this kind of 38.2. And this kind of losses is because of the against the major trend and against the minor trend. Okay, this is some kind of minor trend down. And what the most important that I'm not realizing is this. And finally I realizing that I forget about this one. Okay, this one is like the bearish shooting star, and the before was the bullish, like have upper and lower shadow, which is still the was bearish. Okay, which is still the consolidation in the 3 candlestick, and after the consolidation it has bearish, okay, you see, bearish, bullish, bearish, and then bullish. And you see this bullish, what is this? This is the hammer that I see. Okay, so that is why I enter call here, but it's not working. Why? Because the hammer in the consolidation of the 3 candle, if you can read, it will be not working. Okay, and this will be the resistance, of course. Pay attention to that. And what I can tell you, that the most important thing, that this hammer, the 50% of the body of the hammer, is not broken properly by this candle, by this movement. So this is still some kind of resistance, because the ranging process is between the 50 and the 23.6. So the price has to be going down to the 50, continuing the minor trend. That is why I'm lost, and I have to enter here. It will be nice. Okay, that is the lesson, guys. Probably that is the most detail that I can tell you, that in this kind of ranging market we have to follow the minor trend. Even the major trend, we have not to against the major trend. But in this case, I was see this was ranging, and I know that, well, if the level is broken, then we can enter for the continuation. But this is kind of area, I also, honestly, it can be more wise if I just waiting for the retracement going back to 38.2, that confirm that 38.2 will be act as support. But I'm not doing that. I'm just kind of like doing continuation in the strong trend, like a strong trend, but this is not the strong trend. That is fail. Okay, it's fail because of that, because there is no strong uptrend here, especially when this hammer is not broken, the 50% body, and this happening. And it's correct with the context ranging, but it's like more impatient. Okay, impatient, and not so nice with the recognizing the middle of the ranging, because we have not to enter in the middle of the ranging market when the support and resistance is not confirming, because it can happen fake breakout like this one. This is some kind of fake breakout. Okay, this is some kind of the shooting star. But if the bigger was ranging, it's again not working. Okay, that is, guys, and we can see the video now. The option 2 was, I think, was here. Okay, you see the bullish is not performing yet. I see the shooting star not working well. I think this level was strong because this is 38.2, but when the ranging 38.2 become the middle, it's always risky. Okay, so you see, this is the middle of the hammer in the tree of the evening star. You see, it's not broken well. It's like broken, but at the end it's not. It's like close exactly on the middle. You see, it's like and then I just waiting here, hoping, expecting trend, and then it's getting lost and lost and going to the end of the bottom. Okay, so you see it's very not good situation to trade. Okay, it's become the lesson for us, maybe for you guys, I don't know. And here happening the real pressure of the upcoming minor uptrend. Even when this is also upper and lower shadow, it's not going to down because of the ranging situation. Okay, that is another story, and we continue to going into the number 3. And number 3 was again is a little bit of aggressive, and now here I doing a concept of retracement. Before was the continuation, all of it was the continuation, 1 and number 2, and now is also only the retracement. So I'm waiting for the retracement of this breakout, and then I enter below this level. Okay, because this is the level of 23.6 from this level of round number, and then I enter here, and it was not so nice, because what I'm expecting before I enter the trade, this is what will be the consolidation here, especially when the level of 14.6 around there. Okay, it's already broken by this candlestick. Okay, here is the 23.6, here was like 14.6. okay, 14.8, I just forget it, but it is 14. And because of this candlestick, guys, this candlestick is close exactly on the 14, and I just expecting here was a bullish because of upcoming trend. Okay, so I'm just expecting the bullish come to there from here, but suddenly what happened? It's still bearish, even it's still bearish. This is only happened because of this major. Okay, something is major here, is some kind of major downtrend, and this is because of the safe entry point. And the next, it's going up, guys. Okay, it's like, if you can read this one, this is the hammer, but again the hammer in the context of consolidation before, it's not working well. But here it's confirming that 3 candle, the next 3 was like that, bearish. So that is kind of a good one, because it's not happening some kind of fake breakout, but you need to confirming here, because when this level is broken, that means there is no pressure up, the pressure is going down, the pressure is going up, because the 50% of the specific candle was very nice SNR. Sometime it become SNR. Okay, that is not too good analysis, because the candle is still bearish, but the entry point was good, and I'm using the level. So why I'm profit here? Because only because of the level and because of the understanding of the major minor uptrend in the ranging market. Here the major was, I think this was ranging. Okay, because there is no formation of a down, and it start the minor uptrend, retracement. I enter call in here in the safety zone. If I enter in the opening price, that will be loss, and that is why we have to save when entry and base on support and resistance. Okay, guys, that is my explanation of today's trade. Okay, now it's Monday, and we will continue tomorrow. This is already 24 minutes, and we can see the entry point. Okay, you see here the entry number 3. You see I am expecting here already bearish. Okay, and then I am expecting is close, not break this level. Okay, that is okay, in the trading, that is the level of 14. Okay, 14, here was 14, and the below was the 23.6, like I am expecting you before. And because this is not breaking the 23.6, and the 14 is like not something nice, because the candle after the breakout of the 23.6, it's can ranging there, and I know this is the ranging situation and this is the minor uptrend, so this is will become the retracement and I can enter here for the next upcoming minor uptrend. And I am just entering down here like exactly on the 23.6, and then the candle suddenly broken down, but okay, I believe it my analysis. And then I'm just waiting if this was loss and I take the loss, and if this was profit, and that is good, that is enough, so I can learn more. And then suddenly at the end, I think it's coming back, it will coming back, okay, and it's close nearly in the some kind of 14.6 or 0.8 or something like that. You see, it's closing there again at the end of the time, because it has to be consolidated in between there. Okay, and now it should happen the consolidation here, because the confirmation of 20 EMA. So but I'm not entering that again because I cannot break my rule. Okay, I got a lesson from the previous experience that when I'm breaking my rules, suddenly bad thing will happen. Okay, so I'm here, I'm just waiting not again to do the extra trade. Even you have the good moment, I don't care. Okay, I just try to follow, stick to my rule, and you will see that maybe I can get it done by the end of the month. Let's see, guys, and I hope you enjoy my video. And of course I want to tell you again about this one. So this is like the brief of what I'm doing today. So the time will be in the 13. Okay, I also put the time when I'm entering the trade. It's like a one hour process, but actually I'm just, when I'm trade, I'm leaving, okay, and then I'm come again. I'm not just in front of the chart at this whole time. Okay, so I just wait for 8 minutes or 6 minutes to get confidence, and that's it, because we cannot uh, we cannot always in the front of the chart. Okay, so this is the profit, because on the digital option, so the percentage is a little bit bigger, and the technique was continuation retracement, and the trend in that kind of situation was major ranging, minor down start, minor down middle. This is not good. Okay, minor down middle is always continuation to going in the direction of the minor trend. So this is for minor up, the level I record also, and then the pattern was the shooting star, the bullish hammer. The bullish hammer was not broken, the resistance, the entry was all good, and the clue was in the loss is was level against the minor down, and it's kind of consolidation in there. And then here the reason why, because don't see the possibility of 50% body hammer become resistance due to the minor downtrend in ranging. Again, the minor trend, that is not good. Okay, that is why I'm losing. And the reason why profit, the entry zone quality was the second, and the third was the bad one, because against the minor, against the major, and the context is like on the dead zone. Yeah, and uh, the first one is good because the context is right, and the suggestion is, like I say in the video, pay attention to the possibility of ranging market, or do the nice entry point. So entry point always can save you. sometimes a lot. Okay, so 66%. Okay guys, see you in the trade tomorrow, Tuesday. Thank you.